Hey folks, we're back up here at the top food plot. My GoPro, I don't know if it got overheated or what, but it just froze on me when I was trying to finish up the video. So you can see how well it's done so far. I walked up here yesterday to check things out for a couple reasons. I wanted to see how well it was chopped up. I'm gonna run over it again with the disc plow today. I won't show you that, but maybe a little bit of it. But it did a pretty good job. It's been really dry here though, so the ground's dry, so that helps, but doesn't help with what I want to do next. When I was up here the other day, I don't know how I didn't get stung. I had so many yellow jackets. They're bad this year. All over West Virginia, they're bad. I don't know if they're that way anywhere else, but man, they're awful this year. And I went up here last night with a couple of cans of wasp spray, and I didn't see any holes. I thought I had one over here on the edge and one in the middle, but I didn't see them last night. Just a bunch of them on the wet ground I churned up. They were on that ground pretty bad, but I didn't see any holes. So I thought about wearing my bee suit. That won't stop them, but it'll deter them a little bit, make it harder for them to sting me. But we're going to try to get this done without getting stung again. We'll see how it goes. I'm not looking forward to this, but I'll give you an update then. But took the bucket off front of the tractor. That's another job I got to do. Bolts came out, so I got to fix that. But we're going to run this through. I got the seed in today. It was supposed to rain tomorrow, but now it's down to like 10% chance. So I'm not going to put seed on this dirt until I know there's rain coming, at least 60% or more. So that's coming not this weekend, but maybe next weekend. I'm hoping something hits in the middle of the week and I can run up here real quick before it rains and get this seed on the ground and then smooth it out. I might smooth it out today or tomorrow, but no seed yet. So we'll get to work here and I'll show you how it looks later. Okay, we dusted her off again. Chewed it up pretty good, as you can see. We're down a couple inches there. So I'm gonna trim up some trees here real quick. Just walk around the field with my pole saw, clean up some of these trees and drag this field and wait for the rain. And we'll seed it, or we'll seed it when we know the rain's coming. But I don't have a good attachment right now to show you the pole saw. You've all seen it before. I might touch on my buggy and just let it run, but you'll see what I do. But you can see some of these trees are hanging over pretty good. I might leave that one really low one over there, and if you can see it or not, let me see if I can zoom in. It's hanging down like that as a licking branch. They like to use that and make their scrapes and stuff, so I might leave that one, but the rest of these gotta go. I'm trying to hit them with my tractor, so we'll see what happens here. That'll work. That's a lot like work. Now I gotta go around and pick them all up. Alright, we're gonna drag this thing. Let me get a drink. I'm sweating. I should be able to get around here now without any problems. We'll see. We'll see how bumped up it is right now. I think we'll put it in low and give her hell. Best we can. I'm not too worried about it. I don't plan a whole lot back here because it's a mess. Of course, we got a tree branch hanging back there. Tree branches. We'll get her as best we can with this makeshift drag. Here again. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look right either, but you know, what do you want? water in the middle. Make this turn. I'll show you when we're done. I'll show you what you can see here. Okay, all that twirling and whirling around, a dust cloud there. That looks pretty good. I think I make a decent seed bed. You can see it's got a few deep spots in there, but for the most part, it's pretty smooth. So we're gonna wait for the rain. Gonna throw some seed on before it rains and call it done. Let you know when that comes around.